Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share an amazing destination with you, that is Deojhar waterfall. If you are looking for a refreshing and adventurous getaway, this is the place to be. And guys, in this video I will guide you through everything you need to know for the perfect trip to Deojhar waterfall. First of all guys, timing. The best time to explore Deojhar waterfall is from October to January. This is when the weather is pleasant and the waterfall is at its most beautiful. Now let's talk about how to get there. You can reach Deojhar waterfall by taxi, bus or train. The nearest railway station is Cuttack, about 130 kilometers away, and the closest airport is Bhubaneswar, approximately 144 kilometers from the waterfall. If you prefer a bus journey, the nearest bus stop is Champeshwar, just 15 kilometers away.
चल हेठी देखिया बढ़िया वाटरफॉल केमती करिवे
Well guys, once you are at Deojhar waterfall, get ready for a fantastic experience. Here is what you can expect. A breathtaking 40 feet high waterfall, a tube well with fresh drinking water, cold water and a rocky terrain. A natural swimming pool for the guys who love bathing. Excellent facilities including drinking water, parking and communication. Scenic forest views with wildlife like deers and peacocks. An adventure lover's paradise. A historic cave named Deojhar at the top of the waterfall. Once inhabited by saints. Ample parking space for your vehicles. Snack and refreshment counters to keep you energized throughout your visit. So friends, if you can get these facilities in a good tourist spot, then what else do you need?
Mama बस्ती देखुन ए मामा जाऊ कुआडे सियाडे
in the area, don't forget to explore the nearby attractions. Some of the nearest places to visit include Champeswar, Baneshwar Nasi, Pragalapitha, Bhattarika, Shankhamari, Simbhanath and Satkosia. You can easily plan a day trip to these fascinating destinations. So, if you are looking for a fantastic day out with your friends or family, Deojhar waterfall is the place to be.
ହଁ ଉଠଉଛୁ ବା ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କରୁଛି। ଝିଅ ସେ ବଟଲ ସାଇଡରେ ରଖେ ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇଦେବି କାକର ହାତଟା।
So guys, make sure to visit between October and January for the best experience. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel guides. If you are watching on Facebook or Autoplay, then please follow and like me at there also. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next adventure. Bye bye.